Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro mode looks on the TCL 40 SE. So first of all, you have to go for the Pro mode, and when you enter for the Pro mode, I can recommend you to click on this right upper corner on this information icon. And as you can see right here, you can find a description of every feature that you can find right here on this Pro mode. So as you can see, that's the small preview of this feature. Click that we got it. And right now I'm going to show you how we can adjust the parameters. So we are going to start from the left side, and that's the ISO level. Next we can find shutter speed. Here we can find exposure compensation. And that's interesting because in the 99% of the phones, the exposure compensation you can adjust only manually. But right here on this phone, on the TCL, we can adjust this level automatically. Now here we can find also the white balance. In this place we can find focus range. And right now we can also move for the upper bar, where we can change, for example, the aspect ratio. Here we can also enable the flashlight, and when you tap right here we can enable camera grid lines, and here we can also enable the touch photography and also the shutter delay. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.